Number 14. This is a fun little question. It's kind of cheeky, maybe we can call it. Um, when I first read this, I thought it was kind of cute. So, in the diagram below, triangle ABC has vertices A, 4, 5, B, 2, 1, and C, 7, 3. What is the slope of the altitude drawn from point A to BC? And you see that and you ask yourself, what? I have to draw my altitude over here, and then what am I even supposed to do here? One thing you really need to know, and this is a vocabulary word that maybe gets a little ignored sometimes in geometry classes. An altitude is the height of the triangle. But if you're measuring height of something, if you got a person and they're standing here, you want to measure how tall they are. The ruler you're going to use, you want to make sure that it makes a right angle with the ground. You get the actual height. If I use a ruler and I go like this, well, this person's going to look like they're a lot taller than if I use the actual ruler at a right angle. So the reason I talk about that is because whenever they say altitude, you know that it should be perpendicular to the line that it intersects. Aha! Perpendicular to a line. I got something I can work with. So all I need to do is find the slope of BC, and then I can use the fact that perpendicular lines are the negative reciprocal of their slopes are the negative reciprocal of the line they're perpendicular to, and I get my answer. So again, that's if I have a slope y over x, that should be perpendicular to its negative reciprocal, which would be then negative x over y. So let's just find the slope of BC and then get the negative reciprocal. This is actually an easy kind of question once you make that realization. Well, to go from B to C, I had to rise up 1, 2. So my rise was 2, and then I had to run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had to run 5, and it was up 2 and to the right 5, so it's 2 over 5, which means that should be perpendicular to the negative reciprocal, negative 5 over 2. And that should be my answer. Negative 5 over 2. 4 is indeed my correct answer for this. The slope of the altitude will be the negative reciprocal of the line that it hits.